Haba niya pababa na
Pagi,
yan.
oh.
You just wait for to go down there. We will stop first. Okay? Oh.
I have to pick some pretty flowers.
The picture.
But Sean, it's mommy and daddy. She died away.
Oh.
She ran away.
Wow. Tete ba yun o ano? Tawag dito, action star ba yun o ano? Siyempre eh.
Walang mga aeroplano lang niyakap.
Okay, helicopter. Yes, we're going to the beach. You must wait.
Ayan, ito na yung mata ko. Nakatingin din sa salamin.
There's a medical there, Babao. You mean a jungle? Oh no! Oh. Where you been? Huh? That's only here. Daddy will try. Wow! Oh. Come here. I told you don't. You stop? Oh, you can do it. Stop. Oh. Kaya? Oo, kaya. Ha? Video? Anong pag-phone mo naman? Sige ko lang. Sabi nga. Video. Para tayo. Video. Ang gagawin. Tingnan mo, o baka? Tingnan mo nga, maganda nga. Tingnan mo yung ano, yung ay, hindi nga, tingnan mo nga eh. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng ano nga, tingnan mo. Eto nga, ayun nga, tingnan mo. Ayun nga oh. Eto, yung sa sunset. Ha? Paano na to? Talagang ano, sorry. Ang ibig ng ano, hindi natin lagay. Hindi nga, ang ibig niya. Hindi nga, kaya nga lang tayo nakadaan dito eh. Hindi nga nakatingin na ako, pero ang ibig niya. Haba niya pababa na yan.
Sa pag-off-road tuloy Parang sa private. Yung po yung sinasabi namin kanina. Parang sa private, maganda rin pumunta mga pa yan. Taas ng bundok yung tanaw mo yung coast, yung beach. Parang masarap yata. Paano mo buwan? Kasi atin maagat.
Pasok sa Papalang, wala nga yung pasok.
Isip ko nga kung makikipag-hangat kami lang natin, makikipag-hangat na lang kami nila Paolo Ay tayo, pagka pauwi na kayo, sasabay na kami, pero babalik. Kailangan yan kami nag-freeway hanggang bukas ng umaga.
Oo.
Para masuulit. Parang mga ganun ang gawin namin mamaya. Sabay kami sa inyong pagalit. Sasakyan mag-off-road mo na naman. Kasi madali lang, napot na kami dito. Tapos doon kami mag-overnight pag dito umaga. Siguro mga cloudy.
Okay, where are we now? On the beach. Later you will go down. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will go down. You just wait for to go down there. stop words. Okay? You again? You're always picking a pretty flower.
Can I have one?
Not now, because we're still driving. Yun na yun, Han. Yun na nga, oh. Yun. Yun na yung Big Sur. Mahal. Ito Big Sur. Oh? What color of dinosaur poop?
Brown and gray.
Brown and gray. Yeah. Brown and gray. Oh, did you run away?
Mommy and Daddy run away.
Oh, yun.
And then you need to stay with Mommy and Daddy, okay? You have to wait, okay?
Okay.
Go with them.
Ano pala? Ayun nga, merong stoplight. Ang tagal naman ng stop. Grabe naman. Pa-construction ha. Gawin natin ito. You're looking for the pretty flower? Okay. Yes. We don't. Dati ba yun o ano? Dito, action star ba yun o ano? Siyempre eh.
Malamang aeroplano lang yung taxi.
Okay, helicopter. Helicopter. Kasi kailangan pag aeroplano may runway dapat yun.
Bakit ba? Wala siyang alay na gisag lasang sa pinakatapos ng bundok eh. Naka-afford siya lang pambili ng bundok. Pambili ng aeroplano.
Runway. Runway
Pambili
kailangan.
niya yung bundok, hindi siya makabili ng aeroplano.
Kailangan niya runway doon.
Oy, ito naniniwala sa'yo.
Ganyan kataas oh. Hati-hati pa tayo. Ewan natin kung bakit. Yeah, we're going to the beach now. Okay, copy pre, copy. Traffic pa rin na. Traffic pa rin ka ako. Hindi, traffic pa rin ka ako. Traffic pa. when daddy is we're almost. So may trail dito. Hindi mo nagbababaan. Yes, we're going to the beach. That's right. Pupunta na siya. Malalaglag ka. Siga naman. Mabait nga ni ko.
Sana maganda kaya mo pinalo. Kaya ito na yung mata ko nakatingin sa lamin.
Pintat ko dyan. Ayun lang nga yung ano. Alam mo dito ba tayo? Hindi na? Okay, hindi. Ito, binibidyo ko naman. Ito nga, binibidyo mo. Kaya nga, ito nga. Ayan o, ibibidyo. Amoy. tayo, then magkakainan na lang tayo. There's so many cows there, Papa. You mean a jungle?
Now we are in the jungle.
Oh no! Oh, it's so nice, oh. Tapos,
Jungle.
Kaya pwede na siya. Kita na namin yun.
Dididikit mo dito sa
magkano? 10 yan? Wala, baba ko din cooler. Baba ko din cooler. Tak naman. Maganda? Oo nga eh, kasi running water. You like it? You like it? Ayan, ito ko na yun.
I want to pull up.
Oh, yeah.
Pull up.
Ha?
Bigyan mo ka ba?
Ay, oo nga pala.
Hindi mo na kailangan naman.
Hindi na?
Lahat ng ulo.
Dito kami sa may parang sa gawing big store. Ready na. Naku, 50 ka lang pala to.
15?
Oo. Abot ko siya?
20.
20? Abot siya siguro.
Abot na.
Oo.
Sige.
Nandiyan na siya. Hindi na malaya.
Check mo na lang.
Oo. Sige. Sige, sige. Hindi, alam. Sige, ikaw ka lang. Set up ko yun.
Eh, baba na ba?
Kaya mo para mamaya tulog.
Baka mabawasan yung bilbil. Pagod na yan, kakababa dun.
Kaya mo na mamaya para wag uwi natin tulog. Di ka na.
Mabawasan ng bilbil yan eh.
So, sabaw eh.
Sa tinda.
Pwede naman ano eh. Hapot.
Hindi, mayroon tayong kawali.
Malaki. Malaki. Parang tagal. Tagal ano?
Hindi, okay lang, okay lang. Tama lang eh.
Kakasimula lang
Oo, kasi simula lang.
Kasi yung sibuyas ko dito.
Ayan.
Kasi masarap na init-init.
O yan, puro init. Tinola, iniinitin. Papaw! Layo na. Pero nga, hindi ko yung matinap. Where you been? Ha? No, no. Hey, it's a river. Oh, it's a nice river. Wow, it's very nice, huh? Yes, it's very nice and low river.
Let's see the river water.
Yes. You can eat here.
Watch this. Mommy,
Oh, here. Oh, okay. Oh, come on, lali ka. Come on, paliligo ako. Apaw, come on. Here. Apaw. Psst. Apaw. Come to daddy, come on, later. Daddy will swim. Daddy will swim. Han, liligo ako. Oo, sasama ko talaga. Liligo kami. Huwag ganito yung tubig.
Eh,
Aligo, ang ganda kaya. Come on. Yeah. So much people there. It's okay. Oh, not there, not there, not there. Here. Here. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Yes. Go ahead. Oh, be careful. It's cold. It's cold.
it's cool.
It's cold. Yeah, it's cold. Oh, no, don't do that. Just there. Sorry. No. To me, there's a people. Sorry.
I'm sorry.
Just there. Be careful. Be careful, ha? You want to swim? It's cold. It's cold. Oh! No. Yes. Oh. Oh, be careful, ha? Oh, no. You must be careful. Somebody, you know, you will wet somebody. Oh, no, be careful. Oh, be careful, ha? It's cold. It's freezing. It's freezing.
Hey, Daddy!
Yes.
Don't go too deep.
Yeah, it's not too deep. Just only in my waist. It's okay. I will tell to. Papa, be careful, ha? No. There. Yes, be careful. Say cheese.
Cheese water spiders. I will picture the insects.
Okay.
And glass water.
You like it?
Let him go to his swamp.
Yes.
Let him go to
Ooh,
his swamp.
oh wow. It's cold.
It's so freezing.
It's freezing. Oh.
It's like a water fireworks. It's like a water fireworks. Hey,
Hey,
I'm swimming.
you're swimming. Yeah. Don't do that. That's only here, huh? Yes. Daddy will try. Oh, wow. Wow, it's this here. Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm floating.
No, you're not floating.
I'm
Maybe we need the
Help me! Please, go back here.
okay.
Because there's... Help me!
Go to Nina nga. Go to Nina Kayla. Get the Oh. Papa, wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Okay, let's go. No. Let's go. Oh, come on. Huh? Oh, yes. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, now you can go to the... Okay.
I'm welcome!
Okay. Oh, you're floating. Oh, no, you're floating now. Yes. It's okay. Just relax. You're swimming now.
Help me!
Yeah, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, come here. Come on.
Help me!
You can do it. Yeah, you can do it.
How are you? Go faster with a leaf.
Huh? Oh my God. Are in the river. You gonna leave?
I want to go back here.
Okay, go.
Help me!
You can do it.
What is the week?
You can do it. It's okay. You can do it. Oh. Wow. Whew. Bah. Ooh la la. Papa, where are you going, Papa? Huh? Where are you going? Papa, come back here. Why? Why you want to pick up leaves? Yeah. It's good. Yeah. Yeah. You like it? Yeah, waterproof. Yeah. It's under the water. Yeah, you can use it. Yeah, for swimming. That's good. It's clear.
I need to go here.
The view is very great. Yeah. That is real. Come on. Come on. Dali, dali. Like this, Papa. Like this. Like this. You're holding something. You're holding something. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Don't hold it. Yeah. That's your toy. Don't leave it. Okay, yeah. That is your toy. Okay, go ahead. You can do it. Be careful. Okay. Be careful, ah. Be careful. Karat, baby shark. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. You can do it. Come on. You can do it. Just close your mouth. Yeah, take care. Take care. Very nice place. India, Philippines. Philippines. Bombay. Oh, yeah, I know that place. I'm in a place Mumbai. Bombay. Yeah. Bombay. Yeah. Yeah. I visit Mumbai one time. One time? Yeah. When I work, yeah. Yeah. India, great India. Yes. Good, nice place, and then nice people.
Where did you go in Mumbai?
Just only Mumbai. I forgot because I work in the ship. And that's why I'm just in the ship only again.
Wow!
I told you, just close your mouth so no water will come to your tongue, okay? Just like this, and that you can see. Wow!
Wow!
Yeah! Wow!
Hey, wait, Daddy!
Yay! You can like this, Daddy. Daddy will do off. You want to dump your say look camera and then one. Just 1, 2, 3. No. I mean like this, Daddy. Like this. You can do it like that.
No!
Huh? No. Huh? Don't talk too much in the water, so you cannot drink water. Okay, take care. Enjoy the visit.
Go this way.
Yes. What? Yes. I told you don't.
Help me, Dad! I get stuck.
You stuck? Oh, you can do it. Stop. I told you, stop. No. Oh, I like that. Just close your mouth, okay?
Sharky, open your mouth and... Wow,
Just close your mouth so you cannot drink water. Okay?
Sharky, wait a minute. Hey.
Yes.
Hi.
Yes. Very nice place.
It's a very nice place.
Yes, you like it here?
Sharky.
Yes, you like it here? See? I told you no.
Why get stuck? Why does it taking me?
No? Because the water's running. See? The water's running. See?
Wow, it's so damp. It's a very damp. Little Shaggy!
No, be careful. Hold your shark. Maybe the shark will go away. The shark will go away.
And it will.
It will last.
Little Shaggy.
Mm.
Wow, little.
Wow.
It's very damp.
Hey. Oh, go to Ninang Kayla. Ask Ninang Kayla, go to swim. It's okay, just not too. This is not too deep. Ay na? Okay. Whew. You like it? Let's go eat muna. We need to eat first, okay? And then we go home. And then we go back here, okay? Let's go.
Wow, it's a river.
Yeah, it is.
I just saw hey, little Shaggy.
Okay, let's go eat muna. Ganda.
I'm diving close. Hi!
Mm.
Help me!
Oh, let's go eat muna. Let's go eat. Come on. Let's go to Bobby. Yeah, we need to eat muna. We need. And then we will come back here. Okay? Let's go. Careful. Oh, come on, let's go. You need to eat first, okay? Woo. Oh, let's go, come on. Come on, later. Later we come back there. Oh. No, there's so many leaves here, so you don't need to worry. You can pick another leaves. Just leave it, throw it away. Come on, let's go. Too many leaves here. Whew. Come on. Grabe, ang sarap. Sarap maglulubog. Ang linaw ng tubig.
If you eat first,
Oh, malamig pero kapag nangangain ka na, nabasa ka na. Yeah. Daddy already swim. To swim, we will go home now. Because mommy have work tomorrow. Okay? Don't worry, we will come back here. Say cheese! Look, Daddy. Look, Daddy. No, look, Daddy. Papa, there's a bird. There's a bird, oh. Here. Oh.
Hello, little guy.
It's a birdie. Oh, there's a three birds.
That's tree bird.
Yeah, 3 birds, oh.
Mom, the bird, Daddy, the bird cannot take me.
Hmm?
Because
The bird will not take you. Oh no, the birds go. Oh, they're fighting, huh? That's a woodpecker. Woodpecker.
Hello, woodpecker. Hey, go to the tree. Hey,
The woodpecker.
woodpecker.
Oh, the woodpecker. Oh, they're fighting.
The woodpecker fighting because he's a strong bird.
The woodpecker fighting.
The woodpecker go to the trees
Yes,
and peck them
because the tree their house.
because the woodpecker can make the holes. Look at that, the last one making a hole.
Yeah. Oh.
She's pecking. That woodpecker can make my hole. Clay peck.
Okay, this is a nice place. Big Sur. There's a river, small river. You can swim here. Clear water. Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Oo, kaya. Ha?
Video?
Hmm.
Anong pang porn mo naman?
Wait, it's a little bit hot, okay? Hold on. I will get it.
Ni gago.
Some beauty.
Sige ko pala ka.
Some chicken skin is so food.
Sabi nga niya ano eh.
Some chicken school. Chicken is
Ilan ang asawa mo? Ako? Dalawa? Kulang pa nga na isa eh.
Tapos makikita mo ngayon doon. Diba? Tama mo yung pangalan mo ka, o kung sino doon sa
Tsaka
channel.
ating madali na magkakita kasi isang diretso lang naman to eh.
Oh.
Ito na yung campsite na ano?
Yung may tulay.
Ano Han, gusto mo magano tayo dito? Ano, pa-reserve tayo. Oh. Ang ganda ng ano yung...
Nakareserve ko pa nga ng July. Yung mga alam kong...
Hindi pa ngayon. Hindi pa rin sa ano.
Sa July ano? Ano ba
Hindi
yun?
kay... kasama kayo. Kasama ano?
Kasama tayo.
Oh, diyan. Oh, kasama kayo noon. Sa ano, Liberty ni Papaw.
Saan ba yan?
Eh, sa Lake Casitas.
Hindi kasi. Mas malapit.
Malapit lang.
Help me.
Hindi ako makasama niya. Trabaho ko niyan.
Ito ba ako na?
Hindi pa alam yung date eh.
Where's my
11
sharpie?
to 13.
Oo, you cannot go there yet.
Daddy is still eating.
You have to wait to daddy.
Wait, Daddy. Daddy is still eating. Right?
Samahan mo naman bala.
Because if you not go with Daddy, there's a lot
You
of
cannot
chat
go
there.
there alone.
Download ko na yung app ng... Gusto niya tubig. Magtampos lang ng tampos. Kaya mo balik.
You have to wait daddy. Kawawa naman. Kawawa naman sa sakyan.
Alam? Hindi tingin na. Malayo ang tingin. Alam? Pochi. Ulit ka na eh.
Ulit eh.
Nagpunta siya sa river.
Takasan ako.
Parang
Isang basa.
Tabakan lang yung takot. Ano to?
Isang basa.
Parang Pochi to ah. Si Pochi. Papa, wait Daddy. Daddy's still eating.
Basang basa eh.
Pagdaan mo, parang kamukha. Parang kakilala ko tong aso na to ah.
Hindi ako na aso eh.
Kamukha ni Pochi ah.
Parang nasa aso sa kami puta. Naiwanan ko bukas yung ano. Sisilipin ko yung river. Naiwanan ko bukas yung pinto. Kasi si Bella nga pala hindi ko na itali sa loob.
Nandun na sila.
Pagkaganyan ko, nakaganyan ako.
Nandun na.
May naglalakad, sabi ko may naglalakad dito. Nakatingin din gano'n. Magkatinginan kami. Nung palapit ako sa biglang tumakbo, bumaba.
Oh, it's yung both sweat.
Nakasilip din siya.
Ora kasi siya talagang yung pagkakano pa yan, pagkakalakad niya daan-daan. Yung parang hindi siya, parang okay lang, parang pwede siya maglakad. Daan-daan pa eh. Tingin din siya ganyan eh. Iwan na namin yung tinola para... Sige lang.
Natakasan ako basang-basa. Si Pochi. Ano si Pochi? Yung sinabi ko si Pochi, tumatakbo pabalik dito.
Nagulat ako, nakasalubong ko.
Wala ako. Dito ba ang ng tao eh, no?
Basa eh.
Dito banda wala
Tay, maganda yung pwesto na yan. Yung malalim doon, tapos may kahoy, may
Gano'n
tubig.
kalalim? Gano'n kalalim?
Ganito ko.
Oo yan?
Tapos ang ganda ng picture.
Nakatayo ka lang?
Kailangan
Ano
na,
yun?
kailangan boba na kasi malalamig na.
Daddy,
Wes, ito, kinukulit na ako.
no more. No more. No more. No, no, no.
Daddy's still eating. Ang dami ko na nakain kanin. Subo niya.
2, 3,
Isang subuan na lang.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6,
Kaya nga.
7, 8.
Diyan pwede naman tayo
Ano mo,
magtanong eh.
kunin ko ng talon mo.
Ako?
Ako nyo ba?
Ito ano mo, di
Tawagin mo.
Hindi kumain lang.
Hindi,
Ay,
mo.
wala siya ng
Ano sigala
signal.
yung signal? Magkakonect ako sa'yo bago mo kasi para makaano kami ng
Ano lang?
ng
automatic naman yun, nakakonect ka na dyan.
Wala nga palang signal.
para magre-record na kami dito ano. Okay na.
I'm done.
Dati done na, okay na.
Daddy, you can swim. You can swim. You can swim. You can swim.
Okay, let's go. Ang daddy, ano? Ano yun lang? Daddy will wipe the hand because daddy's hands dirty.
Ang haba ng explanation.
Lumahin din na paano ba? Paano ba sasabihin?
Ano nagkakabulbul?
Ang haba, ang tagal ng explanation. It's okay, Daddy. I understood. Lalang tayo pang
Dami
ginagawa.
sinabi.
Nawawala yung sabihin mo.
Daddy, it's already
Ang dami
cooked.
na nga sinabi. Hindi pa nila intindihan mo ba?
Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Oh, wait lang, daddy. Oh, wait, daddy. Oh, be careful. Be careful. May nagsiga pa rito.
Wow.
Hmm? Yes.
Who did it? Creamy Abba! Hanana!
Ah.
Hardy!
One more time. One more time. 1, 2, 3. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, good. It's okay.
Don't dive!
It's okay. It's okay now.
It's floating! Why the water's driving taking me?
Ah. Yes.
Oh no, Mommy! The water's trying to take me! Hey! Don't go this way!
Why?
It's just so hey!
No, this it's not too deep.
It's the
there's a wood. There's a wood.
Help me! Daddy! Help me! Don't go this way.
Okay, we will back there.
Only because it's so deep.
Huh?
And it's so... Help me, Daddy!
Okay.
I need to go that way.
Okay.
I was swimming with a sharky!
Oh, shark. Swim now.
Shark! Sharky!
Sharky.
You fin too little. Just you. Sharky! Hey!
Sharky.
Shark! What's up?
Sharky. This is stick. Okay, Daddy remove the stick.
Help me!
Good.
Shark!
Oh, be careful. Might be hit you.
Help me! I'm getting stuck again. Please,
Oh, okay.
Daddy! I got stuck.
Oh, you're not stuck now. You're not stuck.
Help me! Hey, Daddy! Hey, Larry! You're not gonna get stuck too. You're not gonna get floated. Sharky! There's shark fin in there. There's shark fin.
Let's go. Ah.
Daddy!
Sharky, don't shout. Sharky, don't shout. Don't shout. No shouting, Sharky.
Light up.
Yeah, don't be afraid, Sharky.
It's that.
Yes, don't be afraid.
Monster! What monster?
We will go there, we go there.
Little shark. What monster?
What's monster? We will go there. Yeah, the water is running, that's why we'll go there.
I know the water is running.
Yeah?
I was unsure.
Okay. We will go there. We'll go there. Just in the water. To go deep to the running water. Okay, come on, you can down now. No, it's not deep. No. Okay, come on, down now. Yay! Oh, be careful, be careful. It's rocky. Be careful, Be careful, be careful. Just here, Just walk here. Just walk here.
Sharky! Sharky! Sharky!
Meron, meron. Okay. Hindi okay. Only to worry. Okay.
Hi, me.
You still okay?
Shelby.
Okay. Oh, you will floating. It's okay. You can. It's okay. You can float. Okay.
Kailangan may explanation lagi.
Abda! Hindi, may anticipation niya.
Yung jiggle-jiggle, ha?
Ang sarap ang swimming.
Sarap nga dito sa ano, gitna na to. Sorry. Diyan o, diyan ako nag... Malalim hanggang ano, hanggang dito ko lang yan. Ayan, ito. Ayan, yan. Diyan masarap, tas doon pwede ka umupo, tas ang gandang picture ka doon.
Ang mga ranger hanggang alas 5 lang.
Dali, picture na tayo dito.
Ay, siya, baka wala na ranger. Baka wala na ranger.
Hindi, may signal naman. May signal.
Magkakita ka niyan, magkakita.
Sige, picture na.
Ayun. Ayan, nag-picture na ako. Ayan na lang pala. Ayan. Dito, background, dito. Ayan. Yan, video. Para taas.
Video.
Video and picture.
Anong gagawin natin?
Okay na yan, ikot tayo.
O, ikaw tayo. Ang umipit yung camera lang.
Marami na kayong video. Doon, picture tayo dito nga. Dito, doon.
Ang sarap tumuloy doon.
Ayun nga.
Shocking.
So shocking!
Daming alaw. Sabi, ay, oh shit. Oh shit.
Pahina yung boss.
Ano naman siya? Oh, go.
Oh!
Papa. Hi. Cheese.
Shaki?
Shocking.
Asok ka pa, pre?
Say cheese! Papa, jump! Papa, jump! Okay, ready, set, dive!
Say hi.
Dive! Go, jump! 1, 2, 3!
Magdadive pala sa video. Si po, tinulak
Ay, nasira yung chinelas!
Tinulak.
Tinulak!
Tapos siya nakaupo pa.
Bibigay na yung kinilas ko.
Dala ka pa isang sinelas din eh.
Kakaiba yung kapangyarihan mo, pre. Masyadong malakas. Hindi kaya ng goma.
Bibigay na.
Karangalan ng picture.
Lakas eh.
Let's go na.
Gawin ko na.
Yeah, we're gonna take home some water.
Limang oras pa biyahe mo.
That's how.
2 taon. Masulit.
Para Marami pang parating, pre. Marami pa tayo mag-discover.
Tayo naman, dito. Saan tingnan mo? Baba ka. Ano, tingnan mo nga, maganda nga. Tingnan mo yung ano, yung ay, hindi nga, tingnan mo nga eh. Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng ano nga, tingnan mo. Eto nga, ayun nga, tingnan mo. Ayun nga oh. Eto, yung sa sunset. Ha? Talagang ano, drawing. Ang tibay yung ano, hindi natin alam. Hindi nga. Hindi nga, ang tibay niya. Hindi nga, kaya nga lang tayo nakadaan dito. Hindi nga nakatingin na ako, pero ang tibay niya kasi. Parang